Marbella isn't expensive. It's a playground for the ultra-wealthy, where the price of luxury will shock you. It's one of the most expensive places to live in all of Spain. Here, luxury lifestyle demands a luxury price tag, from designer shops to designer beach clubs and even designer multi-million euro homes. This is where the rich go when they don't know what to do with their millions. Even a simple dinner out here can cost you more than Madrid or Barcelona. Marbella isn't just expensive, it's a lifestyle built for those who expect the very best, no matter the cost. What about if you were to spend a day here, do all the amazing things that Marbella has to offer, but with a fraction of a price?
That's right, we are giving ourselves a challenge. Spend a day in Marbella with just €100. This includes accommodation, breakfast, lunch and dinner, an activity and a night out. Welcome to Marbella. We are in Marbella's promenade, just 5 minutes walk from the town center, and we want to have some breakfast before we check into the hotel. Churros in Spain is a tradition to have in the morning, so we found this amazing place in the promenade for €4.50. You can have a coffee, tea or chocolate with churros. Let's go and check it out. You can also have a croissant instead of churros if you don't like churros, but if you're in Spain, you have to try the churros. Hola. Churros with sugar or churros with chocolate? So this is going to be the first time I have churros with chocolate in a very long time. Actually, ever, I think. So let's see. Oh, the churros is warm. Actually, it's good, yeah. I think I still prefer it with sugar, but this chocolate is very good.
Oh, look at the thickness of the chocolate. Whoa. I do love dark chocolate, and it does seem like it's dark as well. Can I dip this in coffee as well? Cappuccino. I'm gonna try it.
No, that's illegal. You should never do that. Oh my God.
No, I think it's better without the coffee. Those churros were banging. I know there are lots of calories, but that set me up for the rest of the day. We have got lots of things to do, lots of walking, so we're gonna burn that. Now we're heading to the hotel, check in, and after that, explore the town. Come with me. That was going to be an issue, as Costa del Sol is in very high demand throughout the year, and properties costing as much as over 5,000 per night. Luckily for us, the Old Town of Marbella has secrets which we are going to show. We have found one place which is under €50 and it's right in the center. This street is full of cafes, bars, and it's got a beautiful vibe as well. It's a perfect location, beach is not far from here, and the room is just over here. Follow me. This is Monkey Room, and it's such a cute little street. And this is our room for less than €50. Not Puente Romano Resort, but it's got a comfortable bed. Not bad for a location, and if you pay more, you have more options. Now the accommodation is sorted out, it's time to go and explore Marbella Old Town. Come with me. A lot of people think that Puerto Banús side is the main side of Marbella and they skip the Old Town. In my opinion, Old Town, the charm in the Old Town is absolutely amazing. You cannot miss on your Marbella trip. The vibe and the architecture is just very special, especially when you come at night. Going through these little alleyways, seeing people, just people watching, it's an absolutely amazing atmosphere. You cannot miss this. So staying in Old Town of Marbella, it's 100% recommended. Look how cute these little streets are. The great thing about staying in Marbella town center is that you save money on traveling costs as well, because everywhere is accessible on foot. You have restaurants, you have bars, anything you need, it's here. But walking through all these restaurants is making me hungry, so let's go and find something on budget. Come on. That behind me is the main square of Marbella, Plaza de Naranjo, which is the beating heart of the Old Town. This square is actually full of restaurants, but we're not eating here because that's not in our budget, but we have got something very special lined up for you, and it's not gonna break your bank. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to stop exploring the Old Town, because if I keep going like this, it's so pretty that it keeps inviting me to different alleyways, but I need to go and find something to eat because I'm very hungry. Just 5 minutes walk from the hotel, we've got Avenida Miguel Cano. This is the main street for the Marbella's nightlife as well. Around here, there are lots of bars, and at night, there's a beautiful vibe around here as well. And where we're going now for lunch is Cien Montaditos. It's a chain all around Spain, but like this, Andalusia and Madrid. And they offer sandwiches, like mini sandwiches, for €1 to €1.50 each, and it's yummy as well. So let's go. And it's right opposite the beach as well. So after this, we can go to the beach. This one is Cien Montaditos, and actually right opposite is another tapas place. But we know this one and we trust this. Let's go. Firstly, it's not 100 Montaditos, the chain we were talking about. It's a spin-off, 120 Montaditos, but more or less the same concept. So we have carne mechada, which is the meat patty, 150. Can't go wrong with that. A slice of meat in the bread. And the tortilla, Spanish tortilla in the bread, 190. And finally, we have alioli with chicken, 250. Drink, 290. All comes together to 880. Lovely piece of meat, very tender and a bit dry for my liking, but I think that's why the chicken one with the alioli is going to be the winner. The great thing about the Spanish culture, the Spanish restaurant culture, is that people watching from your table, especially here, you're on the promenade, and you can spend as much time as you want. They're not going to chuck you out. They let you stay here for hours, even for a cup of coffee.
That was surprisingly cheap, but you know what? It was also delicious. Now we need to find an activity within our budget. And what best than the Mediterranean Sea? Let's go and hit the beach. Not many people know that you can actually get from Marbella Marina to Puerto Banús in style. Later on, we're gonna jump in the ferry Fly Blue and go to Puerto Banús. And it's only €11 per person one way. As well as Marbella's town centres, Marbella's promenade is my favorite place in the entire city. Here is the perfect place to come cycling, or if you want to go running in the morning to burn a few calories. But for me, the favorite part of this promenade is people watching. Everyone is here having a great time with their friends and family, enjoying the Mediterranean sun. Of course, there are lots of options for you to eat and drink, but what I like the most is the scenic view of the mountain range and also the Mediterranean Sea. After a good lunch, this is the best way to burn some calories, digest the food, but also eat completely free. Isn't it relaxing? The sound of the wave, the Mediterranean sun, clear blue sky. We are in Venus Beach, and this is actually in Marbella town center. Our favorite beach, Cabo Pino, is out of the city center and you have to drive there. But if you're staying at the city center, this is the beach I would recommend you to come. Majority of people are sunbathing right now, and one of the things you need to keep in mind that the beach in Marbella, the water is not warm. Venus Beach also offers activities, like for example, water activities, and you will see people getting a massage. But we are on a budget and we don't want to spend a penny. Being in the Mediterranean sun, swimming in the Mediterranean Ocean, and also getting a lovely tan here is completely free and is priceless.
Just over 5 minutes walk from Plaza de los Naranjos will bring you to Jardín Chino. Here you can have a Chinese buffet for €10.90 per head. This is the marina of Marbella, but Marbella has another marina, which is Puerto Banús, and that's where all the glam is. So now we're gonna catch a ferry to get there. Come with me. So far, you must be wondering that we haven't really shown you the riches and the luxury lifestyle we've been talking about. Marbella, we haven't really shown you. It's actually in the hills of Marbella that rich people live and the Golden Mile. But they come to shop here on Puerto Banús, where we are now. They have lots of bars, lots of places to hang out and restaurants. We're gonna go to one of them, very popular Joy's Live Entertainment, where they have something going on every night. We will not be putting the music in for the copyrights reason, but we'll show you the atmosphere. Come on.
When you come to Puerto Banús, you will see a show of cars driving around, parking, and lots of people come here to car spots and also to take lots of pictures. But also people come here dressed to impress, go to the different bars, different restaurants, and have an amazing night.
Now we are left with only €15 and we are on the luxury Puerto Banús. Do you think we can find somewhere to have a drink for €15? Let's go and check it out.
There you have it, Marbella with just 100 euros. From beach to bites, you can enjoy this glamorous town without breaking the bank. Let us know what would you do in Marbella with 100 euros. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting videos in Spain. We'll see you next week from another amazing location. Hasta luego!